This is what I get to come out to this morning. We had some very bad storms last night, but look at this beautiful sky. This is by my car, and I'm getting to look out at how beautiful creation is, and also just look at just what I have in my front yard. Got these wonderful trees here, this nice little garden, but it's just got so much beauty to this, and I get to see this. I just love it. And then this getting to look around and having this moon. And last night, had I been able to leave the window at my head open, I would have been able to have that moon just sitting and looking at me all night last night. But since it's just so beautiful, there's a few little clouds. And so here I am in this lovely spot, tree lined, beautiful. Oh, this is just an absolute wonderful thing. Love the fact that that moon is up there. Well, it's a half moon, but anyway, I wanted to share it. Hope you all have a good day.